I am glad to welcome everyone. If your goal is to raise your level in games, then this offer is for you. I present to your attention a product created by the Easy team. To get started, follow the link below and download it. We are continuously improving our product, troubleshooting, and adding new features on a daily basis. Access code, EasyWay, cheats. Please read the installation guide carefully to avoid problems. Here you will also find the optimal settings for different games. I will now log into my account. I have a subscription, but I want to provide you with a key for free testing for 3 days. Launch the loader and enter the activation key. Before choosing the desired parameters, I recommend using a spoofer. It allows you to replace BIOS, serial numbers of CPU, HDD or SSD, and much more. This is an extremely important stage. Then select the options you need and click the Inject button. Everything is ready. Now I will demonstrate how our program functions in the game. As you can see, with its help you get a significant advantage, and the gameplay becomes much easier and more effective. Don't forget to subscribe to our channels to keep up to date with the latest updates.